before using this machine, we have to inject full water inside, okay? This is the water inlet hole, and this is the water overflow hole, okay? Now we should insert this water cup to this water inlet hole. Before installation, we have to press this silver button, okay, press, and make sure this tip is up. Then we insert the water cup tube into this hole. And another hole, we should insert this tube. And the same operation, press first, and then insert. Okay, now we inject the water. If the water inside is full, it will come out from the water overflow hole. Okay, the water will come out from the water overflow hole. When you don't need to use this machine anymore, we have to release the water inside, okay? We just need to exchange these two tubes. That will be okay. Okay, insert this tube into the water inlet hole. And another tube we should insert to the water overflow hole. Then the water will come out from this hole. Okay, this is the foot switch installation. We can see here it has a small position. Okay, and this position should be matched here. Okay, and then insert. And next step, we should tie it. Okay, for this shelf, we just need to match this hole inside, okay, and then insert. And the last step, we should tie this part. That will be okay. Okay, tie it. And for this tube, okay, this tube, we need to install well for this part. Okay, when you want to change the waist length of this working hat, we can loose this part first. Okay, loose this part and then install another working handle to this position and tie it. Okay, then we start the machine again. We can choose this waist length. And the same operation, we can setting the power of this working hat and setting the frequency. Okay. Okay, when we want to remove this working hat, okay, we just need to, okay, push this part and then pull out of the whole part. 2 steps, okay. When you want to install again, just need to press, that will be okay. When you want to remove that, 2 steps, push and then pull out, that will be okay. Okay, for this part, when you want to remove that, we should, okay, pull out of this silver button, okay, pull out of this silver button, and then, okay, and then when you want to install again, just need to match the hole, and then press, that will be okay. Okay, now we start the machine. We just need to turn on this key and we will enter into this screen. Here is some waist length for option. Now we choose this waist length. Okay, and here we can adjust the power, okay, and here we can adjust the frequency. Okay, here we can adjust the spot size, okay. You can adjust the size which you need. Okay, and here we can choose the waist length. Okay, for example, when you press this button, the waist length will be changed. You can adjust here to choose the waist length which you need.
对呀，所以没